Focus on your breathing by taking deep, cleansing breaths. In and out. In and out. With every breath, you relax a little more. The muscles in your face relax. The muscles in your neck and shoulders relax and untighten. All the tensions and cares of the day are draining away. The muscles in your arms relax. Your torso and your back relax. Your hips and your buttocks relax. All the tensions are draining away, draining down through your legs and out your feet, harmlessly to the earth. Your thighs relax, and then your lower legs, your calves, your ankles, and finally your feet relax. You are open and receptive. You are safe. Now imagine yourself on the beach next to an ocean, sitting on a piece of driftwood. You hear the distinct sound of a crystalline bell coming from the ocean itself. You're drawn to the ocean. You walk out into the ocean and you feel the water come up over your ankles and feet, pulling you in even further. And you know you're safe. You have no fear at all. You walk further until you're out in the water up to your hips, with it gently embracing and caressing around you. You have no fear. You are safe. You go further and you actually dive into the water and start swimming. You find that you can breathe under the water just fine. So you decide to go deeper, following the sound of that crystalline bell. You reach the bottom and you notice a glowing path that leads you into a large spiral. And there's something in the middle of that spiral that generates the bright light that you see on the path. So you set your feet on that path and follow that spiral until you get to its very core. And you look up and you see the moon, and then it shifts into a cauldron, and then it shifts into a small child, and then it shifts to the moon and the cauldron and a small child, to the moon, to the cauldron, to a small child, until it goes faster and faster and changes quicker and quicker. And then there is a bright light, and there you see the goddess. Now picture her in your mind of what the goddess would look like to you. Make note of her hair, the look on her face, what she's wearing. She beckons to you to come to her. Her arms are wide open, a smile on her face, and a loving look in her eyes. And you reach out to her and come into her embrace. While you are in the goddess's arms, she gives you a message, one meant only for your ears. Listen for the voice of the goddess when she speaks. When the goddess is finished speaking, she kisses you on the forehead as any mother would kiss their child, and she sends you back to that beach next to the water, sitting on that piece of driftwood in the blink of an eye. Now, slowly start to come to your common senses, and when you are ready, open your eyes